black, white sneakers, northbound. I'll get you an address here shortly. 1955 Perry Boulevard. Looks like an old white building.
25 Yeah, what's your location? I'm in Perry.
He's continuing across the tracks, northbound, across that train.
Northbound crossing the track.
Hey, you know what towards me?
He's attempting to climb over that, it's like a log truck. Units are right on him. He's made it over that, crossing over. It looks like he's going to eventually try and get under the next set of tracks. There's no way around that truck without climbing that. It runs really far, that train.
Hey, go on to the bridge. Go on to the bridge.
Copy. He went over that next rail, and it looked like he's kind of hiding under those trees.
Copy. He went over that next rail, and it looked like he's kind of hiding under those trees.
Let me see your fucking hands! Get on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground! Get the fuck on the ground!
He's crossed over the next track.
Don't fucking move!
Rio 67, they got around right now. Giving up.
Put your fucking...
Copy.
I want you to fucking move!
I ain't going nowhere.
Now you want to get him in custody? Get him in custody right now, we'll find.
Great thing.
Now you want to spend the job, everybody.
Can you take the video?
Relax, bro, I got you.
I'm gonna need rocks, bro.
I'm about to get you up. Relax. You can't breathe because you're running, man.
Hey, radio, go ahead and start the
Shut up.
purple 4. He's going to need some oxygen.
You alright? Relax. You got any weapons on you?
Receive. And just give me is that location where he's detained at.
I'm gonna say that Perry.
What, relocate? Relocate? I'll put the AC on for you, alright, be down?
Yeah.
But come on, hold on, before you do that, let me double lock the handcuffs because I will close on your wrist, alright?
You can't take them out while I'm here?
Alright, come on, man. I don't mean no damn sense. Stand up real quick. I'll let you sit down.